Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a loading screen on your Mac computer. The Sims 4, the base game is free to download. You will need Sims 4 Studio. You will need some images, photos that you like. You will need FFDEC, which is known as JPEXS decompiler. You will need Java. You will need some type of editing software like Photoshop, GIMP, Canva, or 괰ᴏʀÄ. I'm going to go ahead and go into Sims 4 Studio and create the package file. Go up to where it says Tools. Go to Create Empty Package. Make sure you create a new folder. Put it on your main hard drive. I'm gonna just name it test screen. And I'm just gonna name this test loading screen. Go to save. Window will pop up. Go back up to where it says tools. Go into game file cruiser, and you will need a code to paste in here where it says instant. I'm going to paste my code in. The code is 432D1D2ADD FFC6D8. I will repeat it again. It is 432D1D2ADD FFC6D8. I will put it in the description. After that, click all. You will get this list here. Click on this. Make sure you're on data, not text. Go to export. And we're just going to name it the same thing. We're just going to click where it says package, and it's going to make us a binary file. Just go to save, and this will pop up. We will be right clicking, renaming it. We're going to rename the binary file. We're going to name it GFX. And then we're going to just click on it. Make sure you keep your folder handy. What we're going to do now is we're going to load into the decompiler. What we're going to do now is we're going to drag our GFX over into decompiler. You will get this warning sign. Press no to all, and it will load in. Go where it says shapes. Go to define shape 6, or I don't know, maybe it's a different number for you. Right click it and go to export selection. Where it says shapes, make sure it's under PNG 416.5 and press OK. You want to put it in, I don't know. I'm just gonna try to put it on my desktop. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it on my desktop and go to open. Okay, so it put the shape on my desktop. I'm gonna double click the folder, and I'm gonna drag it into my test screen folder that we created. And I'm gonna delete this. You don't have to, it's up to you. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna load into Photoshop with this file here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click it, and I'm gonna go to Photoshop. All right, so you see it bringing our file, but we're not using that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and make our loading screen background. So we're gonna go to File, go to New, and create a new canvas. I'm just gonna call it loading screen. And I'm gonna go 1920 by 1080. 72 resolution. You can up the resolution. I'm going to use the default and I'm going to press create. So it gave me an artboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this first layer and bring it above the artboard. And I'm just going to click on the artboard and I'm going to delete it. So now I will be bringing my photos in. So we're done creating. We're going to save. And I'm going to copy. And I'm going to paste it into the 6th document. And we're going to resize it. Make sure that it's not dark gray. Zoom out and resize your background. Create a new layer underneath your background layer, just so that it's not like a outline on the left or right side. I'm going to fill it with white and I'm going to merge it down. Looks pretty good to me. Zoom out. Yeah. So we're going to file, save as. I'm just going to save it as a loading screen. PNG. Put 1071. And save. Now I think we're done with Photoshop. I'm going to go back over to the compiler. Define shape, you want to right click it. And you want to import your photo that you just saved from Photoshop. And go to open. Make sure it says 1071. And there you go. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna save as. And I just save it to my main hard drive in that folder. Go to save, and then you see it just saved over there. So we're gonna save it again just in case. And we're done with the compiler. All you have to do is go to close all, but I just pressed the X, but do close all. What we're going to do now, go back to ᴛᴏ Studio and go to warehouse. Oh yeah, we're renaming the file, the GFX file. Gotta rename it back to binary. Go to rename, put in binary, press enter, or just click on it. Now let's go back to ᴛᴏ Studio. Go to add, warehouse add, and you remember that code we had? We're gonna paste it in where it says instance. Let's paste it in here. And where it says type, we're gonna look for scale form GFX. I just went past it, I'm pretty sure. Yes, I did. Scale form GFX and press OK. You want to click this right here. Make sure you're on the data and not text. Go to import. Now we're going to import the binary file and go to open and go to save. Now you have created your loading screen, so you can exit out of everything else. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy our package file into our mods folder. I always try to keep my mods folder on my left side so I can always access it quickly. Copy it. Go to my mods folder. I already have one in there, but I'm just going to delete it. And I'm going to import the other one. I'm just going to right click it and paste it in. And I'm going to make sure I pasted it in. Go back to the view that I was just at. There it is right there. And now all we got to do is load up ᴛᴏ and see what we got. Moment of truth. And there you have it. We made our loading screen for the Mac computer. Next, it's probably going to be that plum bob. Because I want to change that color to like pink, purple or something. A gradient. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. So that's something that you're looking for. Keep watching. If you made it this far, thank you. And catch you next time.